Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming authorization. You must be the owner or have explicit admin consent. Once verified, gather identifying details, serial number, Apple ID, and iOS build, so support can validate your request. Then contact the organization that set up MDM or the supervising IT team to request lawful removal. Do not attempt circumventions. Instead, explain why removal is needed and prepare any proof they ask for so the process can proceed formally and securely. Once the request is accepted, follow official channels. The administrator can unenroll the device from the MDM console or initiate a supervised restore through Apple Configurator or their device management portal. If the organization is unreachable, contact Apple support for guidance and proof of ownership steps. They can explain options without bypassing protections. Meanwhile, make a full backup, cloud or encrypted local, so you preserve personal data before any administrative restore or To finish, perform the approved restore or complete the unenrollment as instructed by the administrator or Apple. After the process, make sure you sign out the Apple ID and check settings to verify the device no longer lists supervision or profiles. If enrollment persists, do not try third-party tools. Instead, return to the admin or Apple support with the restoration logs and proof of authorization. That direct route resolves most lingering issues without breaking policies or risking bricked hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.